River Raisin I-75 Bridge Revitalization Project is a significant day for Monroe, the state of Michigan, and many cities across the country. This investment in infrastructure is transformational. It's transformational for both economic and community development perspective.
This is a piece of infrastructure that carries 60,000 vehicles per day, about 5.5 million trucks per year. An asset that important ought to be in peak form, but for too long the investments, the funding just wasn't there. And so this critically important part of I-75 between Detroit and Toledo, significant to international trade as well as to this region, was left to deteriorate, but not anymore.
I want to thank Mr. Buttigieg and the current administration for recognizing the importance of union workers and working families to ensure projects like this get done.
This bridge overall and the associated economic activity are expected to support over 4,000 jobs. And that includes people designing, building, supplying materials, and the jobs in retail, food service, and other local businesses that are going to be supported by this. We're thrilled about how we're not only building bridges, we're building livelihoods, home ownership, and so much more for families doing this work.